let's cook a railroad crossing today. Please prepare one railroad crossing. If you take a wild railway crossing, the train will stop, so please be careful. Let's start cooking. First divide the railroad crossing. Put the railroad crossing in the salt water. About 10 minutes later, each part floats away from the pillar. Next cook this part. Pushing the stick like this, using the lever principle. Then you can take the meat beautifully. Cut the meat from the stick. Cut the stick, split yellow and black. Next, cook this part. Place the bowl and cut it a little. Then a kind of egg yolk comes out. Dip the meat in it. Sprinkle the cut stick. Fry it at 180 degrees. When the surface golden color, put out from oil. Next, make the sauce. Prepare this part. Put wasabi as you like. Mix with the red light. On the other side, put mustard. Again, mix it. Finally decorated them. It's ready to eat.